If you run a B2B business, you simply can't sleep on LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn's the biggest professional network in the world, and it's the best place to promote your B2B product or service. I've been running LinkedIn ads for over 7 years, and we've generated over 400,000 leads for our clients, and we've managed over 100 million in ad spend combined. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 7 principles that we follow to create potent ad campaigns that drive hundreds of thousands of dollars for our clients. Number 1, you want to be very specific in your targeting. B2B businesses usually sell to a very specific type of company and a very specific decision maker at that company. The power of LinkedIn comes in the targeting that it offers. And remember that LinkedIn ad costs are high, so eliminate any wasted impressions on not a fits. Just target very directly that exact job title that you want to go after, the exact company size, and the exact industry. Number 2, be clear and direct in your ad copy. B2B product and services are usually more complex and more technical, and a lot of businesses hurt themselves by being vague and unclear in their copy. Everyone says they increase revenue, but at the end of the day, what's your prospect actually looking for? Are they looking for a workforce management system? Do they need a new API testing service? Then just say that directly so that they know what you are when they're looking for it. Number 3 is start with an intro offer. Everyone wants to drive demo requests and everyone's out there promoting demo requests, but your prospect doesn't know anything about you yet. So even if they did show up to that demo call, they'd have no idea what your product or service actually does. Remember that social media is an awareness channel. People are on their mobile device, they're usually on the go, so you want to grab their attention and then be able to retarget them at a later time. You can do that through pixeling them, getting them to your website, capturing a lead, or having them subscribe to your page, but you don't always have to go direct to demo. Number 4 is don't gate everything. B2B definitely has a bad reputation of hawking too many reports and guides that your prospects aren't ready for yet. Most people aren't ready to give over their contact info, so you're just running them into a brick wall if you're trying to do that the whole time. You should ungate those and let them go to your website and read more and self-educate. If your competitors are overly focused on reports and guides, like most companies, this is a huge opportunity for you to jump ahead of them. Number 5 is work with your sales team. Since B2B is usually a consultative sales process, scheduling a call is usually required. You want to involve your sales team in the process, let them know what the marketing campaigns are talking about, and then have them be able to follow up with leads as they do come in. The other benefit is that since this prospect originally came from LinkedIn, they're going to put 2 and 2 together and be more likely to remember you when your salesperson reaches out in the future. Also, lots of emails end up in spam, but in-mails get right through directly. Number 6 is use account lists to close deals faster. So once you identify your warm accounts, your hot accounts, or the accounts sales wants to go after this quarter, LinkedIn's the only platform where you can upload a company list and choose the exact companies you want to target and then overlay job titles on top of that. So you might not know the exact individuals, especially at big companies. So this is one way to upload a company list and then target all the job titles that are relevant there. That then also allows you to expand those job titles, especially with open opportunities. You can also get this list of companies who are visiting your website by using the LinkedIn Insight tag. Number 7, and this is the most powerful one this year, is to use thought leader ads with video. This is definitely the strategy of the year. So now we can boost posts from people on LinkedIn. Previously, it was only to run ads from a company page, but now we can boost your post as ads. The beauty in this is that people get to know you as a person, and we make sure that every time that they're on LinkedIn, they're going to see one of your posts. So prospects should be showing up to that first sales call saying, I've been seeing you everywhere. And when you use video, it establishes that relationship faster than anything possible with your prospect. It's gold FaceTime. So these are the 7 principles I follow to create LinkedIn ads that print sales opportunities. If you implement these principles, I have no doubt in my mind you'll see awesome results. However, this is only one piece of the puzzle. There's a lot more going on into getting success from LinkedIn ads, and I obviously couldn't cover everything in this video. So if you're serious about leveraging LinkedIn ads to fill your pipeline and scale your business, then make sure you click the first link in the description and book a call with me. In that call, I'll give you a game plan to follow to start seeing success with LinkedIn ads, and we'll also see if we're a good fit to work together. So again, click that link and book a call, and I'll talk to you soon.